Welcome to Life Guru, your ultimate guide to a clutter-free and organized home. Today, we have an exciting and transformative topic: DIY home organization and decluttering tips. If you're tired of living in a chaotic space and yearn for a serene and harmonious home, you've come to the right place. Let's roll up our sleeves and embark on this journey to create a space that sparks joy and enhances our well-being. 1. Assess your space. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to assess your space. Grab a notebook and walk through each room, jotting down areas that need attention. Identifying clutter hotspots is crucial to strategize and customize your organization plan. Share your biggest clutter hotspot in the comments. We're all in this together. 2. Decluttering essentials. Now that we have a clear view of our space, it's time to tackle the clutter. We'll explore effective decluttering techniques, such as the renowned KonMari method. Embrace the process of letting go of items that no longer serve you, creating space for things that truly bring you joy. Think about an item you can let go of today. Share your decluttering wins with us. 3. DIY storage solutions. Organization doesn't have to be boring, let's infuse creativity. Discover brilliant DIY storage ideas that won't break the bank. From repurposing everyday items to crafting personalized storage solutions, we'll transform your space into a sanctuary of order and beauty. Which DIY storage hack are you most excited to try? Tell us, and let's inspire one another. 4. Organize room by room. Every room in your home deserves love and attention. Join me as we organize room by room, starting with the heart of the home, the kitchen. We'll move on to the bedroom, home office, and even those tricky storage spaces. Say goodbye to clutter, and hello to functional spaces that uplift your daily life. Tag a friend who needs some organization magic in their life. Together, we'll create serene and happy spaces. Congratulations on your journey to a clutter-free and organized home. Remember, this transformation isn't just about your physical space, it's about creating an environment that supports your well-being and nurtures your soul. Be patient with yourself, and remember that small steps lead to big changes. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Life Guru for more inspiring content.